Hello guys, welcome back. This is Dimitri. So today I'm gonna show you a quick example of how to apply or how to work with a ViewBag in ASP.NET or ASP.NET Core or any version that works fine. So I'm just gonna show you some code that I have here. So if you notice my home controller, it's right here, which is my index controller, which is going to trigger my index or my home view. And I'm going to have these three ViewBag properties here. I'm going to call this one title, posted, and author. And I'm just going to return my view. So I'm basically passing this as a string. If you notice, this is a message. And this posted, I'm going to call this daytime, which is just coming from .NET. And then I have this today to show the string. These are actually methods from .NET to work with dates, and author. I'm just going to call this as another string. Okay, so because I already have that in my controller as a ViewBag, I'll be able just to return this view and go to my view here, right? So I'm just going to let me just make this bigger. I'm going to call my ViewBag property here, which is the one that I set up, the title, and I also have the posted, and then I also have the author. So if I run this application, I should have something like my title here, my posted, and my author data. Let's just hit Control F5, and I'll see uh, what I'm trying to test here. So this is a home page was posted on, and then I have the date. So let's see where is that coming from. So I have this code here. Let me just make this bigger. So testing view back here. And then here, if you notice, I'm calling my title and then was posted on, and then I'm using another ViewBag posted here by, and I'm using another ViewBag, which is the author one. So notice that you can use those like multiple times if you want to, basically. So you'll see here a home page was posted by, home page uh, here was posted by, on, and then the date, by, then the author. That's pretty much it. So I'm passing that already, and then I'm passing the posted date and then the author. That's pretty much how you work with this ViewBag in .NET. But let's just try to make something different here. So I'm going to create another one, which is H3, and I'm going to call a new ViewBag property here, which is basically a dynamic object. So I'm going to go back to my home controller, and inside this index method, I'm going to create a different one. So view back dot YouTube. Let's call this YouTube, and let's say this is a view back tutorial. Okay, perfect. So I already have this other view back property here, and it's supposed to be already be ready to use, right? So if I go to the view again, which it's right here, I'm gonna call it here. So I'm going to call that by typing at. That's the way you can access it. So view back, and then here I'm going to access my new property, which is uh, I don't even remember the name. What was the name? Just one second. Let's go back to the controller. YouTube. So YouTube. So you're not gonna have intelligence here because those are not as strongly typed objects. So this is one of the um, downsides from this ViewBag property. So I got it here. So ViewBag YouTube, and then let's try to add something else here. So add ViewBag, and then post it. And let's try to add some message here. So this is just for fun on. Okay, so I should have this message after my YouTube message, and then I should have the date that I already had in my other property. So the date here supposed to be today's date. Okay, so that's it. Let's try to run the application. Control F5. And let's see if we got our new message by using our view back. So we're basically passing from controller to a view in a very simple way. So right here, you'll see this is a view back tutorial, which is what we already set up. And then our other message, this is just for fun on, and this is our date. And that's pretty much it. So it's actually working. So let's try to change this to another type of date. So to uh, time of day. Okay. And then, okay, this is actually not working. So today, sorry, let's just do today. And then we're gonna do to long date string. So we're going to get the long one instead of the short one. And here I'm going to change this by author. It's going to be, let's say, Camilo. And this is going to be by. And that's it. We could create all the view backs that we want. It's going to save this. And I'm going to run this. And that'll be it. So let me just run that again. And we'll see if we have these new messages showing up. So Camilo, bye, this is just for fun. Then we have another type of date here. And well, looks like it's working. All right. So basically, you use view bags when you have very simple things that you want to pass to a view. So you don't want to create models like on a real world application. You may have like, I don't know, 50 or 30 model classes. But if you want to just pass one of these simple messages like, oh, created by, I don't know, Camilo, when, and then you want to kind of display the date or something like that. This type of short messages, you'll use the view back. This is pretty much the simple way to do that. And that's it. So I hope you guys like the video, and I'll see you in the next video.